Hello, this is Legal4u. Today we will guide you through setting up a limited liability company in Poland. Ready? Let's get started. First, you need to draw up a document on which the company will operate. This can be either a contract or statute, depending on the type of company, and the form must comply with the provisions of the law. Good news! You can set up a company online using the S24 system. This system is ideal for straightforward companies that don't require special clauses in their statutes. Registering a company in the National Court Register, or KRS, will vary depending on how the company agreement was concluded. If you've done it through S24, the company will be registered solely through this system. If you decide to set up a company through S24, you must be aware of certain costs. Entry to the National Court Register costs $62.5, and the fee for the announcement in the Court and Economic Monitor is $25. In addition, there's a handling fee for the payment operator. After registration, you should submit a PCC3 declaration to the appropriate tax office. Calculate the tax and pay it within 14 days from the date of conclusion of the company. The PCC tax rate on a company agreement is 0.5%. REGAN and NIP numbers are assigned automatically based on the notifications submitted during company registration in KRS. These numbers are essential for your enterprise in Poland. Then there's the NIP8 declaration, which you must submit within 21 days. If your company intends to pay Social Security contributions, the deadline is shortened to 7 days. If you plan to become a VAT taxpayer, apply before the day the first VAT taxable activity is performed. And finally, the board of the limited liability company submits a declaration of covering the share capital to the registration court within 7 days from the day of entry to the register, and the court fee is $10. That's all for today, but remember, Legal4u is here to help you. If you want to learn more about setting up a company in Poland, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. We also have a quick course on this topic that we can prepare for you and provide on Udemy. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on Legal4u.